Alright, here we go.
Smoked meatloaf on the big green egg, guys. Let's get involved. Hello, welcome to BBQ Jams. We've got a great show for you guys tonight. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg. Tonight, we are smoking up some amazing smoked meatloaf. So, I'll show you guys how we're gonna put this together here in just a moment. So tonight, we have Kerry Jordan on bass. We have Arthur Zaragoza on guitar and Steve Wheeler on guitar, and myself, Will Bloomberg, playing drums. So, without further ado, let's get involved, people. So for tonight, ingredients-wise, what we're going to be using is we're going to be using some 80-20 ground chuck, about 3 pounds. We're going to be using 1 pound of the Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage. We'll also be using 4 slices of bread that I'm going to cube up and soak in some milk. We're going to be using 1 whole onion, 2 eggs, some bacon. We're going to be using some W sauce, and this is the Fireshire stuff, so if you don't know, now you know. Also, we're going to be using some of this Blues Hog barbecue sauce, some BBQ Jam seasoning, some whole milk, and also some salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. So, without further ado, here we go, people. I'm going to start off with the breadcrumbs first. Put about 1/2 cup of milk. And I'm going to give this a little turn so everything gets soaked. You throw a little bit more in there. You can adjust it accordingly. There we go. That's got a nice soak to it. Next, we're going in with 3 pounds of ground chuck. Again, it's 80-20 mixture. There we go. 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Next, we're going to be dicing up an onion. So next, we're going in with 2 eggs. So next, we're going to be going in with a 1/4 cup of this W sauce. 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. Going in with 2 tablespoons of salt, pepper, garlic. Now it's time to mix it up. Now it's time to mix it on up. Okay guys, we have mixed up this wonderful meatloaf mixture. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take half of this, I'm gonna form 2 loaves. By the way, guys, if you guys are enjoying this channel, please like and subscribe. Tell your buddies. You guys get involved. Enjoy the show. It's a lot of fun. We're having a ball over here, guys. Okay, so here's a nice loaf right here. Looking beautiful. Look at that. So by the way, tonight we're going to be using our Meter Plus to temp this meat while it's cooking in the green egg. So far it's been working really well, and I'm going to be using my phone to track it, and it's going to give us our internal temp, the ambient temperature. It's also going to give us a time and when it's kind of going to estimate when it's going to be ready. So it's kind of convenient. So you guys should give that a shot. Now it's time for the second. So, guys, what we're gonna do on these two, one of them, so we're gonna dust them both with the OG barbecue rub, but I'm also gonna be wrapping one of these in some bacon, just because, why not? It's bacon, it's good. Do a little dusty action on this guy.
Where can you get that rub, Will?
By the way, Jeff, you can purchase some rub if you guys are curious about this rub. My man Derek Inner over at the merch company has it on his website, and you guys can pick it up from him at the merchco.com. So check it out, link behind, below. Killer, guys, you're gonna love this stuff. Let's pop on some bacon. There we go, nice and pretty. Let's just put a little bit more OG barbecue rub on this because we've got some and we're using it, and it looks great and it tastes delicious. Okay, there she goes. All right, so about 2/3 of the way through this cook, we're gonna be using some barbecue sauce to put a glaze on these. So, and then it'll kind of tack up in the smoker. So anyway, here we go, guys. Let's go ahead and put this meter in. This meter works so well. And there's a trick to these also. If you look at this, you can't probably see it on the camera too well. There's a little nodule right here. What you have to do is you have to get this all the way into the meat up to that nodule, because if you don't, it'll mess up the meter. So, here we go. Boom. There it is. Perfect. Right at 350. Here we go, guys. By the way, I'm trying out my new XL green egg. She's a beauty. We just built this all out for it. So here we go. We're going to be testing her out. All right. We'll be back shortly. You guys enjoy these jams. Woo! All right, guys, we are up to temp. We have about 10 minutes left on this cook. We're gonna go ahead and baste it with some barbecue sauce. So here we go. Oh, baby, look at that. Woo! Look at that. Sweetness. All right, we'll be right back. Dude. Okay, our meter plus has told us the meat is ready, so here we go. Look at that. Let me get out the light so you can get a really good shot of that. That is beautiful. I think that bacon's gonna be awesome.
It's bacon, of course it is.
All right, cool.
All right, here we go. So our meter plus is saying to let the meat rest for about 4 minutes off of what it's saying here, so there we go. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, people. Here we go. I'm gonna crack into this bacon wrapped one first. Look at that, baby. Yes. Yes. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna cut into this one too. Might as well. You see that smoke ring on that, guys? Look at that smoke ring, baby. God, no. All right, guys. I hope y'all are hungry. Steve, you actually look excited about this one. Guys, I got Cowboy Kerry coming over here. What's up, bro?
What's up, guys?
Dude, I'm digging the look, bro. You look great. So nice. Arthur, come on, baby.
If you don't know, you better ask somebody.
Wheeler, if you want to come over, you're more
ready?
welcome to, at least just to hang. I'm gonna give this a little cut right here.
I'll just cut right through it.
Cut right through it. Come on, baby. All right.
I'm the base cowboy tonight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Getting down on the old
Arthur, you ready to go,
meatloaf.
man? Come on, baby.
That's juicy, man.
That's juicy. That's
Where
right.
should I start?
That's some meat.
I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna grab one. If you want to grab a bacon one, go for it.
Yeah,
whatever,
let's go right
whatever
here.
suits you.
All right, man. All right.
All right, boys.
Yeah.
Bacon, dude? Is that bacon?
That's bacon on top, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Woo! Here we go.
Yeah, see a fork. Really nice.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whoa!
Dude.
Yippee-ki-yay, baby! Dude! Oh my God!
Yippee-ki-yay. You have to bleep that.
Whoa! Whoa!
Wow,
The best.
That's a beauty.
The best.
That's a keeper, guys. Come on.
that is really good.
Oh, we got Wheeler coming in, sneaking in. Come on, man.
The hand.
Salsa.
All right.
Come on now.
Get yourself in.
All right.
James Salzer, you want a bacon one, right?
Watch
This whole process,
All right,
You
don't
don't
be
even need
shy.
ketchup for that.
beginning to end.
Beginning to end.
Okay,
We have bacon and we have regular.
I know this is. I've never seen a meatloaf made like this
right.
ever in my life.
Dude, that is on point.
My mama always told me, don't let your meat loaf.
I've never had any meatloaf like this. This is incredible.
Oh man, I feel like the build-up's coming.
Oh God, it's wonderful.
Yes!
I've never had
James
meatloaf
Salzer.
like this.
Come on, baby.
All right.
Guys, this is killer.
Let's
We're
go.
looking forward to getting some killer jams going on here tonight. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Please like and subscribe. Let's get involved, people. Come on.
And remember, never let your meat loaf.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we're going to catch you guys back here in a minute. Here we go.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, baby.
Bacon.
Dude.
Oh, man.
All right, guys, we had a great show tonight. We had a blast. The smoked meatloaf was insane. You guys, please give it a shot. You're gonna love it. These guys are always killing it on our jams. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight, as always. And you know, being subject, to my food. You never know what you're gonna
Yeah,
get.
it sucks.
But tonight, for the first time, I actually cooked the meatloaf for the first time, and it turned out beautiful. So I'm very pleased with it. Please give it a shot. Guys, please like and subscribe. Derek Ennard, thank you so much with the merch company. We really appreciate all of it, man. We really appreciate you guys. And also, like and subscribe. You know the drill. We're going to catch you guys next time. Sorry about my voice. It's starting to go. But anyway, here we go.
Hey, barbecue jam. Barbecue jam.